Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right assets and permissions. That speeds everything. Open Roblox Studio, enable plugins, and load the rig you'll animate. R6 or R15 is common. Next, confirm your capture source. Phone apps or a dedicated device give smoother curves. Once done, export or connect the live stream of motion data. Make sure the skeleton mapping matches Roblox joints so you avoid twisted limbs. Begin with a short calibration motion. Raise an arm, so the system reads orientation and scale correctly. Now you import and map the data. This is where precision matters. Bring your FBX into the animation editor or connect the live feed, then map each captured joint to Roblox bone names so rotations and positions translate correctly. Once mapped, adjust scale and root motion so the character stays grounded. Reduce drift by sampling at 30 to 60 FPS. You'll scrub the timeline, clean spikes with the curve editor, and add in place corrections. These tweaks make motion feel natural rather than mechanical. Finish by polishing curves and adding transition clips so actions blend smoothly. Preview the animation on your rig inside the game. Adjust root translation and foot locking if needed. When satisfied, export as a Roblox animation asset and assign it to an animator controller or trigger it via script. If things go wrong, jitter, flipped limbs, or offset root, stop and recheck retarget scale and joint mapping. Rerunning a quick calibration usually fixes most issues and prevents time-consuming edits later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.